Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For today's reading, for your general energies, guys, I'll be picking few cards. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your personal life. If you want a more detailed love reading, Gemini, you can watch that pick a card love reading I have after this general energies, guys. So let's see what are these cards. Nine of Swords, the Hierophant in reverse, King of Swords. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you have um, you may be dealing with a person, guys, who is in a very important position today in life. So their their position comes with great command and authority. So maybe they are working as a lawyer or important officer in with the government, or they may be a doctor, someone important. They have an important position, guys, making some important decisions with authority. So it may be your energy or their energy, guys. So you are the person making some important decisions, or they are making those important decisions, guys. And I also see that in your situation, it may be in your career or it may be in your life, you have that understanding, maybe because of this position, because of the way their life is. You have that open heart, you are able to understand their difficulties that they have, and you both have good communication skills with each other, guys. But I see that there are some weakness this person has. Maybe it may be some habits, it may be some bad habits. So that may make them quite anxious and worried. They want to give up these habits, but they are unable to do so. And they expect your help, but they are failing each time, guys. Each time they fail to control these habits and addictions, and it is really difficult for them. They are disappointed and they are crying, sleepless with worries because they are unable to keep these habits in control. So they may be expecting your help and guidance, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini. So maybe with your power and authority, you may be in a position to help them, guys, today. So that is a reading, guys, Gemini. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, it is going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can choose that card, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. So let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is. Building blocks. So this card means that in your life today, guys, in this connection, in this relationship, you are building a strong foundation in this connection, and a beautiful relationship is in progress. So, the appearance of this card just means that you are attracting a new positive connection in your life, and maybe you are solidifying the ones you already have. And the means of building that foundation, that strong foundation, how do we do that? It is through honesty, humility, and clear communication, and a genuine desire to understand each other. So you are moving towards that laying of that groundwork for this relationship with firm footing that will ensure it can withstand any storm. Long standing relationships are also repaired and strengthened. You and the other person are stronger and wiser, more powerful together than apart. But if you feel that this is not true and you are not sharing that understanding with them, with that person, and you are not moving, this connection is not moving in a positive way. So, if that is the case, then it means that you have to address the cracks in the foundation of your life. Perhaps your values have changed and it's time to strengthen your convictions and let go of things that no longer serve the vision you have for your life. Or perhaps you can choose to ignore the signs that a situation or agreement you have entered into is not right for you. Remove the rotten pieces and reinforce your core moral strength and integrity. Now is the time for rigorous honesty, for you have called to renovate and upgrade your consciousness. You will be so happy when you do. Spirit has a spectacular blueprint for your life far beyond your imagination. Don't be afraid to replace what's not solid. So, that is the reading with this card, guys. So, let's start with the second card now. So, let us see what is the card, guys. This is the second card. The card says, from nothing to everything. So, this is a Rumi card, guys. It is based on poet Rumi's poems. So, I will start the reading with a few lines from the poetry on what this oracle card is based upon. Oh, my friend, if you are longing to be written on, become a blank page. Rumi. So, this card just means that we have to focus on letting go of identities, of knowledge and certainty, of opinion, and even attempts at control. We may feel as though we are being stripped back to our core, and even then, perhaps further still, we may wonder if we can bear it all. Perhaps we are graced with the realization there is so much more, or perhaps we still don't get the hint and move into struggle as we try to enact what we think our story should be. We may hit obstacle after obstacle and create even more terror in our storytelling. that life is such a pain, a struggle, that success may not be for us, that we are forgotten and unheard. This oracle comes with the guidance for you guys. You are being asked to let go, to receive, to become empty, to be filled. This may mean letting go of attachment to a lover so you can receive genuine love. It may be of no longer holding on to a fantasy of your dream job, but of being guided in your most soulful and successful occasion. It may mean letting go of wishes for your body or health to be other than this. You can simply get on with living each day, taking steps into wellness without thinking beyond one day at a time. It is the divine paradox that when we are asked to surrender a story or fantasy, it is because reality is knocking at our door more often than not with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So it may be very painful and bring you much grief, but all that is dying is your attachment and opinion about how it must be. This needs to happen so you can stop dreaming and start living it. That is the essence, guys. So we may have certain ideas how our relationship should proceed and what should be in this love, but what is the truth or what is happening, the true unfolding of events, experiences, that is not in our hand, and we must be present to see the beauty of how things are unfolding today. So you have to stop dreaming and start living in reality. Do not fear any part of this process, guys, because when you embrace without expectation, you will see that all your fantasies, dreams, whatever it is, it will be fulfilled in a very unexpected way, and you have to have that trust in that divine. So that is the reading with this card, guys. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. So I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.